Hi everyone, my name is Akash Chakravarty and recently I completed my plus 2 education and now I am pursuing digital marketing course from Gourav Digital Club, Faridabad. My current niche is technology and my website newtech.com provides you technology, news and gadget reviews. Gaurav's experience helped me a lot to discover the world of digital marketing. The faculty of Gourav Digital Club is very helpful and the infrastructure of Gourav Digital Club is very professional. I also recommend all you guys to join Gourav Digital Club to convert your passion into profession. Thank you.